Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Today we will learn about how to write B letter words with cursive writing. Okay, let's begin. B, B-E-E, B. B, E, E, B. Bat. B, A, T. Bat. Box. B, O, X. Box. Bed. B E D. Bed. Ball. B A L L. Ball. Book. B O O K. Book. Bake. B A K E. Bake. Barn. B A R N. Born. Belt. B E L T. Belt. Bark. B A R K. Bark. Band. B A N D. Band. Back. B A C K. Back. Best. B E S T. Best. Bird. B I R D. Bird. Baby. B A B Y. Baby. Bite. B I T E. Bite. Buzz. B U Z, Z. Bank. B, A, N, K. Bank. Belly. B, E, L, L, Y. Belly. Bear. B, E, A, R, D. Bird. So thanks for watching, children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye.